Hi, I'm Katrina Albright, and today is May 7th, 2021. This is my sheep heart dissection for anatomy 1005. I'm using the list today just as a help keep me on track here. So we have our sheep heart here. I have trimmed away some of the fat here. If we're looking, we have our aorta. We have our, which side is this? This is the left auricle. The coronary artery comes around here. We have our right auricle. In the back here, we have our pulmonary arteries up top. One here. And then down, after we've trimmed away some fat, you can see pulmonary vein here. Our pulmonary artery comes around here, right superior to this auricle. So we have our right side here. We have our right atria, our right ventricle. You can see inside the chordae tendineae. This actually is a really good picture here of the papillary muscle. There's just a beautiful papillary muscle right here connected to that chordae tendineae. On the other side, we'll flip over and we have our left atrium and our left ventricle. Again, you can see the chordae tendineae. It's actually white, shiny, surprisingly pretty. If we're looking at our layers, we have our epicardium here. This red, fat, meaty layer is our myocardium. And then on the inside here, this very fragile skin over the myocardium, we see our epicardium. The coronary arteries we went through. The intraventricular septums, you can see here this just nice meaty part. These are our septums, thick-walled, thicker walled, of course, for the ventricles. We're looking for our valves, our aortic valve here. We go down through our aorta, nice and gentle, like this. You can see right at the tip of the scissors, I don't know if you can see that, right at the tip there we have just the aortic valve. We can see the shiny cusps here. What else we need to go over? The other valves. So what side is this? So we have our, this is going to be our mitral valve here. And on this side, we have our, oh, back in here, okay, sorry. We have our, the tricuspid valve. You can see how delicate it is attached to the chordae tendineae. So right, left, right, aortic, pulmonary, coronary. I think that covers everything, but we went over the arteries. I think that's everything.